Good morning, everyone. It's Rosie here. As you know, this week on Thursday evening, we will get together for the first time, face-to-face, so to speak, in our very first Collaborate session for this unit, Learning and Communicating Online. This will be a great opportunity for you to gather information about your first pieces of assessment, Assessment 1 and 2, and it will also be a chance for you to meet with your peers and also ask any questions you might like to ask in real time. So it's very exciting. But for many of you, this might be the first time that you are participating in a session like this. So I'd like to provide you with this short video to give you some instructions and guidance on how you can access the session. So here we are in the homepage for Learning and Communicating Online. Your page may look a little different because you are in a student view, but essentially it will be the same. So we come to the left-hand side of the Canvas page and click on the Collaborate link. This purple circle will come up, and depending on your internet speed connection, it may take more time than others. So this shows all the sessions that will be available in this unit. The one that I would like you to look at is this second one, Effie, Rosie and Jason. So ELAs work in teams for these Collaborate sessions. This is great because it not only provides you with additional expertise from two other ELAs, it provides you with other ideas from your peers in many other learning groups, but it also provides with the ELAs with some support, and we will be working together. There will always be at least two of us at each session. So you click on that link. You don't need to change any of these details here, just click on Join Session. And again, the little purple circle will come up, and eventually you will join the session. So as you can see, I've been asked to access my camera and my microphone. Yes, we would like to be able to do this. And here we are. Obviously there's no one in the room at the moment because I'm just coming in to show you what it will look like. It will be a little different on the day because there will be a PowerPoint presentation displayed on here, but basically this is what it will look like. And at the beginning of the session, we will go through a few more details on how you can use the various functions in Collaborate. So I would suggest if you have the chance to have a little practice login the day before or the morning before, and then on the evening of the session, log in a little bit early as well, just to give you some time in case you do encounter any technical difficulties. So any questions, please feel free to post those on the discussion board in any of the forums, or send me a quick email. I'll see you all on Thursday night.